So I was just diving into Loki, and it's like Prometheus for logs. That's wild, right?
No way. I mean, Prometheus is all about metrics, so how does Loki switch it up with logs?
Exactly. Instead of indexing the entire log content, it uses labels for each log stream. Simple but effective.
Oh wow, so it's not going through the full text, just the metadata. That's a game changer for storage.
Right? It keeps it cost-effective and easy to operate. Imagine all those logs without heavy indexing.
Hold on, that changes everything. So you can focus resources on just the data you need?
Exactly. And since it works seamlessly with Prometheus labels, switching between metrics and logs feels like a breeze.
That's so convenient. I can picture DevOps teams just loving this integration.
Definitely. And it's especially good for Kubernetes pod logs. Scraping metadata automatically makes it so efficient.
Oh, so it's tailored for cloud-native environments. That's a huge advantage.
It is. Plus, it has native support in Grafana. You get a whole stack for querying and displaying logs.
I mean, who doesn't love Grafana? It's like the go-to for visualizing data.
And now that they've replaced Prometheus with Alloy for log collection, it feels like they're really optimizing the process.
Wait, really? So Prometheus is no longer being developed for log collection? That's major.
Yep, Alloy is where it's at now. It's considered feature complete, just taking things to the next level.
That's actually pretty cool. I've always thought that simpler solutions often work best in tech.
Oh, totally. Loki's focus on simplicity without compromising functionality is refreshing.
I can imagine teams having more time to focus on analysis rather than infrastructure headaches.
Exactly. It's like they thought, let's make logging as easy as it can be.
Oh, and the fact that it runs in a single binary mode. That's a time saver.
Right? Fewer dependencies mean a lot less to manage. It's a dream for sysadmins.
I love that. And what about the command line interface? How does that work for querying?
Great question. There's Logs.li for that, letting you easily query logs from the command line.
That's awesome. So flexibility is a big part of this setup, huh?
Totally. They even have a canary tool to monitor your installation for any missing logs.
Wow, clever! It's like they really thought through the potential pitfalls.
For sure. And the troubleshooting sections are super helpful for debugging.
It really shows they care about user experience. That's such an important aspect.
Right? And if you ever have questions, the community is really active on Slack.
I love that. Engaging communities can really help in understanding complex tools.
Exactly. Plus, there's so many resources like blog posts and talks exploring Loki's design.
Like the DevOps Days talk, I've seen snippets from that, and it was illuminating.
Yes, Callum Stein's insights from it really showcase how Loki was built for scalability.
I'm trying to picture this. So with Loki, you can scale logs efficiently while keeping costs down?
Exactly. That's the beauty of it, scaling without breaking the bank.
And it could be a game changer for startups, especially who need to maximize efficiency.
Oh, absolutely. Can you imagine the impact on their operational workflows?
It's like a whole new level of visibility into their systems without the complexity.
So, if we put all this together, we see Loki as a sophisticated yet user-friendly log aggregation tool.
And it's opening doors for smarter cloud-native solutions with less fuss.
That's really the takeaway. Loki feels like it's designed with the user in mind.
And it makes you wonder what other tools could benefit from this kind of approach.
Right? The tech world is changing and there's so much more to explore.
Absolutely. It's exciting to think about how innovations like Loki will evolve.
Totally. I can't wait to see what's next in the world of observability and logging.